Hi everybody, it's Sam Lazar here, and I've got the Acer A301T speakers. They are lining speakers, you know, the regular 3.5mm headphone jack. They run off the same power cable as most desktop computers. But the odd thing about it, you plug in the cable, but out comes the same power cable, like an end. You can plug that into a monitor. So I've got the plug the monitor, so you unplug the wall, so you can plug in the monitor. It's got a subwoofer. Subwoofer is amazing. It was manufactured in 2003. So it's old, but can't complain. It's good for what it is. So let's check out some sound samples and the product. So over here we've got the speakers. So there's my phone. Cable whizzing all the way up to the back. So you've got audio in, so L and R for left and right channels. Then you've got left and right little speakers down here that link up to these little guys, which are these. Acer, so the second latest Acer logo. And I was saying on the back, you've got the power cable, I'm using a modern one. But you've also got another one, which is this, plugs into your monitor. So that's pretty cool. And I'm going to play some sound samples so you get an idea of the speaker. Oh, and just beforehand, power, volume, you may say, is that a light, but it's actually sound, and you got subwoofer, so bass and treble. So the higher up, the bassier it gets, the lower down, the treblier it gets. That doesn't make sense, but you know what I mean. So let me play some sample. You can hear that bass, that really helps. Yeah, I don't mind Power Rangers if you're wondering. Now, without subwoofer, you can tell the difference. You can tell definitely there's a difference, so I like to have subwoofer on. Now this without bass. You can hear that bass really pounding along. So that was the sound samples and overlook of the speakers. That was the Acer A301T speakers. They've got good bass. They have a subwoofer. You can get pretty bassy. It's got a treble bass switch. It works with modern technology. It even works with the new MacBook Pro 2017. So that's pretty amazing. Bell.